G'day folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The ghost of tropical cyclone Esther is back to haunt us. Its remains are expected to bring heavy rain initially to western Queensland, but eventually spreading to the east coast. Temps aren't changing much. Nights and days are still warmer than average, and so is the humidity. The range in Rocky today was 24 to 32 degrees. Let's look at the satellite loop now. You can already see that the remains of tropical cyclone Esther have sort of done a dogleg. It was originally meant to go out to off the coast of Western Australia, but it's turned around and coming back towards New South Wales. It's already starting to produce heavy falls over Central Australia. They'll gradually move into central Queensland and eventually reach the east coast. Closer to home at the moment, we've got a little bit of a weakness in the isobars that's accentuating the showers on the central and Whitsunday coast, but the rest of the eastern Queensland looks pretty dry. On today's chart, on the surface, we've got the next high pushing through Bass Strait and creating a new ridge of southeasterlies. It's moving up the New South Wales coast, hasn't quite reached Queensland, so the winds have still been light. On tomorrow's chart, though, you can see the easterly winds start to increase as the high finally reforms out in the Tasman Sea and the isobars collect together. Here's that low ex-cyclone Esther starting to get nearer, and then on the outlook chart it moves right down into New South Wales, compressing the isobars. A lot of convergence in front of it, increasing rain. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Capricornia waters: southeast to easterly winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow, tending east to northeast on Thursday, dropping a touch. Friday just 10 knots of northeasterly. We've got a low tide coming up tomorrow around late morning, followed by a modest high tide shortly before sundown, just a half moon neap tide. Capricornia district forecast: showers and possible storms in the north. Gladstone 31 degrees, 32 for Rocky, a hot night of 25. Billawheeler 33, Yeppoon 29. Central Highlands and Coalfields cloudy with a 50-50 chance of showers or storms. Emerald reaching 31 degrees. Claremont and Mooraba also 31. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, a rising likelihood of rain as we head into the weekend and the ex-cyclone merges with our inland trough. Steady temperatures and very warm nights. Queensland's just had its second hottest summer on record, so let's take a closer look at the stats for one of our local towns. In Rockhampton, the number of summer days above 31 degrees wasn't just a record high for 2020, it's been steadily rising through the station's history. Not the world's straightest line, but the trend is clear enough. That graph kindly provided to us by Monash University. Thanks, Monash. And now it's back to the team.
Thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Just a reminder, if you'd like to watch anything again, our replay in a moment on 7:2. We've got the National Bulletin now. Catch you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.